Hi students, good morning. Previous class we have discussed the derivative of composite functions. Okay, derivative of sin 2x cos 2x into 2, derivative of root x 1 by root x. Like those videos, compulsory should go through that. Okay. Now let's discuss the definition of derivative. Okay, left hand derivative, right hand derivative. So first, at the point x equal to a, left hand derivative at x equal to a. Left hand derivative is denoted by LHD. Limit x tends to a minus f of x minus f of a by x minus a. F is said to be left hand derivative at x equal to a if limit of x tends to a minus f of x minus f of a by x minus a exists. Okay. Next, right hand derivative. At x equal to a, RHD. Limit x tends to a plus f of x minus f of a by x minus a. This is right hand derivative. A plus right neighborhood of a, here left neighborhood of a. So left neighborhood of there is the slope of tangent, right neighborhood of at a slope of tangent should be same when if LHD equal to RHD. LHD equal to RHD, then differentiation exists. Differentiation at x equal to a exists. If LHD not equal to RHD, then f is not differentiable at x equal to a. F is not differentiable. F is not differentiable at x equal to a if LHD equal not equal to RHD. Left hand derivative not equal to right hand derivative, then f is not differentiable at x equal to a. This is when it is exists, then the differentiation of a f is LHD equal to RHD, then differentiation exists at what point x equal to a. Then f is differentiable at x equal to a if limit of x tends to a f of x minus f of a by x minus a. It is denoted by f dash a. This differentiate. This is left hand, right neighborhood is there. Here only left neighborhood of a. Here right neighborhood of a. So when the function is changing, then you should find left hand and right hand derivative. If the function is not changing, you can use direct formula. You have no need to find left derivative and right derivative. Now let's discuss the same concept by graph method also. By graph method. For example, if you take the graph like this, in this graph, you take any point here. Is there any short edge here? No short edge. Here if you take point A, left point tangent, right point tangent is same. Here left neighborhood of A, right neighborhood of A tangent is same. Therefore differentiation exists at x equal to A. Here there is no short edge. Everywhere we can draw the tangent here. Everywhere we can draw the tangent in each and every point. If there is no short edge, then the function is differentiable. If there is a sharp edge like this there. So here sharp edge. Up to this no sharp edge. Up to this no sharp edge. But here sharp edge. So here we can't draw tangent. Okay. So at this point, f is not differentiable. Here left derivative and right derivative will be different answers. Right derivative positive, left derivative negative. The answers will get different answers. Okay, different answers getting means left derivative not equal to right derivative. Then f is not differentiable at sharp edge. Okay, by graph method, how can identify f is differentiable or not? By using sharp edge. If there is a sharp edge at that point, f is If there is no sharp edge in the graph, then f is differentiable every way. So that mod x is not differentiable at x equal to 0. So that mod x is not differentiable at x equal to 0. This we can solve two ways. By graph method, by using formula. First let us discuss by graph method. By graph method. Tell me the mod x graph is. The mod x graph x o x dash y o y dash. The mod x graph is like this, V shape. The mod x has a sharp edge at what point? 0. Here no sharp edge, here no sharp edge, here no sharp edge. Therefore mod x having sharp edge at x equal to 0. Therefore mod x is not differentiable at x equal to 0. So mod x is not differentiable at x equal to 0. Now, another method, alternate method, f of x equal to mod x. The mod x is changing at what point? 0. Mod x equal x if x is greater than, mod x equal to minus x if x is less than 0. Right? Now, left, because changing at 0. Changing at 0 means we should find left hand derivative and right hand derivative. LHD. Limit of x tends to 0 minus f of x minus f of 0 by x minus 0. F of x minus f of a by x minus a, where a as a 0. Here f of x. So limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is mod x. F of 0 mod 0 by x. Limit of x tends to below 0 mod x is minus x. So minus x by x, get cancel x, left derivative is minus 1. So left derivative below 0, if you take this the tangent, this tangent makes angle with x axis 135 degrees. 135 degrees, the left neighborhood of 0. 135 degrees. The slope of tangent m is equal to tan 135. Tan 135 equal to minus 1. Slope of left neighborhood of 0. What is the slope of that is? Minus 1. Next, RHD. Limit of x tends to 0 plus f of x minus f of 0 by x minus 0. Limit of x tends to 0 plus f of x is mod x, f of 0 0 by x minus 0. Limit of x tends to above 0, the mod x is x. By x, get cancel 1. So right hand derivative at 0 here, this is slope of tan, this is makes angle with x axis 45 degrees. Therefore m is equal to tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to 1. So right neighborhood of 0, slope is 1, left neighborhood of 0, slope is minus 1. So minus 1, left derivative and right derivative not equal. So LHD not equal to RHD. Therefore mod is not differentiable at x is equal to 0. This is most important. Mod x is not differentiable at x equal to 0. This question we can go the two ways, by graph method and by using formula. By graph method, if there is a sharp edge, then f is not differentiable at that point. Here sharp edge, at what point having sharp edge? 0. Therefore mod x is not differentiable at 0. By differential analysis. So that mod x minus 1 is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. Mod x is not differentiable at x equal to 0. Mod x minus 1 is not differentiable at x equal to 1. This also we can do the two ways. By graph method first. By graph method. Here x go x dash, y go y dash. Here 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. 1 here. At turning point 1, mod x minus 1. If you take 1, 1 minus 1, 0. If you take 2, mod 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 0 if you take 0 minus 1, mod 0 minus 1, mod 1. Minus 1 if you take mod 2. Are you following? So the mod x minus 1, by seeing the graph, mod x1, x minus 1 having sharp edge at x is equal to 1. Therefore, mod x minus 1 is not differentiable at x equal to 1. This is alternative method. Mod x minus 1 equals, at what point it changing? At x is equal to 1. If you take x is greater than 1, x is greater than 1, above 1 if you take 2, 3, 4, positive will get, then x minus 1. If x is less than 1, below 1 if you take 0, 0 minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1, minus 2. If you take minus 2, minus 2. So below 1 it is getting negative. If it is negative, the mod x equal to minus x. So minus of x, x minus 1. This is considered as x. Are you following? Mod x minus 1 is changing at what point? 1. For above 1 it is positive. So mod x is x. For below 1 this is negative. The mod x equal to minus x. By definition of mod x. Now left derivative LHD. Limit x tends to at what point? 1 minus f of x minus f of 1 by x minus 1. Limit of x tends to below 1 f of x equal to below 1 f of x is minus, this is f of x. Tell me below 1 f of x is minus of x minus 1 minus f of 1, put x is equal to 1 here, 1 comes under this, 1 minus 1, 0 by x minus 1, get cancelled, equal to minus 1. So left derivative is minus 1. So this line makes angle with respect of x axis 135, slope of tangent is tan 135 is minus 1. Next, RHD. Limit of x tends to 1 plus f of x minus f of 1 by x minus 1. Limit of x tends to above 1, mod x minus 1 equal to x minus 1. F of 1 minus 1, 0 by x minus 1, get cancelled. LHD not equal to RHD. Therefore, mod x minus 1 is not differentiable at x equal to 1. Next, some examples here. Mod x plus 1. Mod x plus 1. How to define? See, mod x we know the mod x equal to x when x is greater than 0. When x is less than 0, minus x. The mod x plus 1 changing at what point? Minus 1. This you make it 0. X plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1 is the changing point. What about mod x minus 1? It is changing at what point? X is equal to 1. X minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to 1. If you take above 1, the mod x minus 1 is positive. You take 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Positive. If it is positive, the mod x is x. So this is x minus 1. If x is less than 1, this is negative. Then if negative mod x is equal to minus x, so So minus of x minus 1. This is considered as this. Now come to this. It is changing at what point? Minus 1. So x less than, greater than or equal to minus 1. X less than minus 1. Above minus 1, take one value. Above minus 1 you can take 0. 0 plus 1, positive. 2 plus 1, positive. If it is positive, the mod of x plus 1 is x. X plus 1. This is considered as x. Below minus 1, take one value, minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. So negative. If it is negative, the mod x equal to minus x. So minus of x, x plus 1. That is. So the mod x plus 1 changing at what point? Minus 1. Similarly, mod of x plus 2, it is changing at what point? Minus 2. So x greater than minus 2, x less than minus 2. Minus 2, at what point it is 0? No, that is changing. Above minus 2, take one value, minus 1. Minus 1 plus 2, positive. 0 plus 2, positive. If it is positive, the mod x plus 2 is x plus 2, x. If it is negative, minus, below minus 2, if you take negative again, minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. Minus 4 plus 2, minus 1. So it is negative. So minus of x, x plus 2. Mod of x minus 3, changing at what point? Plus 3. So x is greater than 3, x is less than 3. If above 3, it is positive, then x minus 3. Below 3 is negative, so minus of x minus 3. Like this. Therefore, here you see the mod x is changing. Mod x is not differentiable at what point x equal to 0. Mod x plus 1 is not differentiable at x is equal to minus 1. Mod x minus 1 is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. Mod x plus 2 is not differentiable at x is equal to minus 2. Okay? Therefore, mod of x plus a is not differentiable at x equal to minus a. X equal to minus a. It's most important for power. Mod x is differentiable. Is not differentiable at 0. Mod x plus 1 minus 1. So general form here, the mod of x plus a plus mod of x plus b is not differentiable at x equal to, tell me, minus e and x equal to minus b. Mod of x minus 1, mod of x minus 2 is not differentiable at x is equal to, tell me, 1 and x equal to 2. Mod x plus mod of x minus 1 is not differentiable at x equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. So last we'll see this type of questions. Understood? Mod of x plus 3 plus mod of x minus 2 is not differentiable at what point x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 2. Okay? Now, exercise 5.2, the question number 10. 9 already discussed. Okay? Exercise 5.2. 9th question we have discussed. The mod x minus 1 is not differentiable at x equal to 1. Now the question number 10. Prove that the greatest integer function f of x equal to step x, if 0 less than x less than 3, is not differentiable at x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. X equal to 1 and x equal to 2. We can prove by graph method or without graph, both. First let us discuss about by graph method. By graph method, first one, f of x equal to step x. F of x is equal to step x, right? is not differentiable. Draw the graph between 0 to 3 only. 0 less than x less than 3. Yeah, x o x dash y o y dash. 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3. Now 0. Don't take 0. At step 0. Step 0 is 0, but don't, it's not in the domain. Step 0.1 is 0. Okay? 0.2 0. Up to step 1 is 1. Step 1 is 1. Close shade, inside circle. 1.1 1, 1.2 1, 1.2 up to 2 2. So here not. At 2 2, 2.1 up to 3. Right? Now here 3 not in the domain, that's why how not shaded in the circle. If shaded means close it. If not shaded in the circle is open. Yes? In this, the question is at x equal 1. At x equal 1, see this is 1. At x equal 1, write 1.1 is different left side. Here tangent exists here. Tangent exists at 1. It curve has a break at x equal 1 and 2. Therefore, f is not differentiable. Curve has break means tangent does not exist. Okay? The step x graph. The step x graph. Step x graph breaks. Step x graph break at what point? X equal to 1 and x equal to 2. Therefore, slope of tangent does not exist. Slope of tangent does not exist at x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. Therefore, step x is not differentiable. Not differentiable at x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. In middle point here 2.1 exists because this is a tangent. Here no shortcut here. But here break. Break means does not exist. Okay? Are you following? If it has a break, differentiation does not exist. Tangent does not exist. This is by graph method. Now without graph method. Second method. F of x is equal to step x. Now I am going to at x is equal to 1. At x equal to 1, step x is changing. So we should find left derivative and right derivative. LHD. Limit of x tends to 1 minus f of x minus f of 1 by x minus 1. Limit of x tends to 1 minus f of x is step x minus f of 1 step 1 by x minus 1. Below 1 if you take as x tends to 1 minus, as x tends to 1 minus, then step x 1 minus below 1 step of 0.9 is tends to 0. Okay, this is limit of x tends to 1, this is 0 minus 1, step of 1 is 1 by x minus 1. As x tends to 1 minus, x tends to 1 minus 1. Okay, put x is equal to 1 here, 0 here, minus 1 by x is equal to 1 minus 1, 0, minus infinite. Minus infinite does not exist. Left derivative does not exist. Next, go for right derivative. Limit of x tends to 1 plus step x minus step 1 by x minus 1. Above 1, limit of x tends to 1 plus, above 1 if you take, as x tends to 1 plus, then step of x tends to 1. 1.1, 1.2. So 1 minus 1 by x minus 1, 0 by x minus 1 is 0. So left derivative not equal to right derivative. Therefore, f step x is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. Here. 1 left derivative if you take at 1, here the slope tangent does not exist.
derivative you take, this is here no graph here no graph, but here if you take right derivative, this tangent is parallel to x-axis. This is parallel to x-axis means the slope of x-axis 0. Then this slope also 0. Slope is nothing but dy by dx. So that's why 0 right derivative. Left derivative is infinite, right derivative does not. Left derivative does not exist, right derivative is 0. So it is not differentiable at x equal to 2. Similarly at x equal to 2. Can you solve at x equal to 2? You can solve yourself. 2 here. Just I am giving example. 2 minus step x. 2 minus means 1. 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1 by x is equal to 2 minus 1. So minus 1 here. 2 will be able to get 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1 by here 2. Below 2 if you take, here we get 0. Right derivative above 2. Above 2 means 2. 2 minus 2 0. 0 by something is 0. Here we get x minus 2. 2 minus 2 0. Minus 1 by 0 is infinite derivative. So left derivative does not exist. Right derivative is 0. So left derivative not equal to right derivative. F is not differentiable. So the problem you can solve like that or like this. So I prefer this. Graph method is very easy than that. So which is useful for JEE also. Okay. Graph, if you know, you can easily identify where it is differentiable, where it is not differentiable. Now you see from this graph, is it differentiable at x equal 1.1? 1.1. Your graph is there. 1.1 your graph. So here sharp edge, no sharp edge. So left and right hand same tangent. Okay, exist. Okay, at non